Hey guys, how are you all? I Aishwarya and welcome back to my channel. So after so long period, like a period of an year maybe, we are meeting again to post with a brand new tutorial on this channel. I couldn't post on this channel because of some personal reason, but now we are back with full energy to make this channel very much successful and to share lots of videos on tutorials or styling tips and etc on this channel. And yeah, I'll try my level best to make a post on a regular basis on this channel. So thank you so much for being there with me even though I was not posting here much. So today we are going to make this pretty earrings. The name of the earrings is Parijat earrings and I have made them in sea green color. But you can also make them in any other color as pink, yellow, blue, purple, red, white, etc. I also made them in different colors that I will show you in the end of the video. So I hope that you will enjoy this tutorial and will definitely try to make these earrings at home. If you like this video, do give the thumbs up. If you are new here on my channel, I request you to subscribe to my channel and also press the bell notification so that we can meet on a regular basis to make such amazing jewelry making tutorials like this in the future. And now, without wasting time, let's get started.
So the material required is pearl beads chain, then any plain fabric. I am taking this peach color fabric and it is like comes in bright color. Then triangular kundan, earring stud, jump rings, then we need eye pin, then we need base, we need Fevibond glue as well as this Fevicol glue, so we need both glue. Then cutter scissor plier. First of all we'll make a downside part of this with the help of pearls. So we need pearls in three sides. So I have already cutted the pearls. So the design will be like this. Like this is the first. This is the first round. I'm going to stick it over here. Then this is the second. And then there is a third. So now I'm going to stick them. So with the help of Fevibond glue we'll stick. With the help of Fevicol I'm going to stick because we are using this paper and Fevicol works best with the help of paper. So I'm taking here. And now I'm going to add the beads. Okay, so I have made one round. Now in the same way we are going to I'm going to attach the other two, so I'll quickly do for them. So guys, I have attached this and you can see this is how it looks. And now we'll wait for 15 to 20 minutes to get this dry. So I'll keep this aside. And now I'm taking this round shape as a base and we are going to make a stud fabric. And I'm taking this fabric and first I'll measure how much it is required and I'll cut that much fabric first. Okay, and now with the help of Fevibond glue I'm going to attach this So I will attach this fabric properly.
If you are enjoying my technique till now, do hit the like button.
Okay, so you can see I have made this, and now we are going to attach this again one pearl L'Oreal. So I have cut this in like it will cover half of this base, so I have cut it in that way. So I will add it here. Okay, so you can see this is how we have to attach it. And now again in the middle I'm going to add this kundan. So again I'll add little bit of glue. And over this I'm going to attach this kundan. So make sure that we will take this angular part upwards facing these pearls. So now we'll wait for this to get dry and then we'll start our further work. So guys, this has dried up, you can see, and now we are going to quickly cut this in a proper shape. So I'll quickly do that. So guys, I have cutted this and this is how it looks. Now I'm flipping this and taking the back side up, and we are going to attach eye pins to this. So first I will apply a glue over here. We can use Fevicol as we are sticking with the paper. So Fevicol works best in terms of paper. I'm taking this eye pin and we'll just simply keep it over here. And I'll take another eye pin and also will keep it on this. And now I have made another shape in the side of this this our pearl dangle. So we are going to stick this one on that, because we have to make sure to have a proper secure, we have to secure it properly. So I'll apply enough glue and we'll just simply keep it on this. We are also going to add a back finishing fabric later on this, but it will happen later. Now again we'll wait for a while to get this dry and then we'll start our further work. So guys, this base has dried up and now we are going to cover this with back finishing fabric. I'm taking fabric here, so I'm taking this green fabric and I will check how much it is required first to cover this part. And now I'm using Fevibond glue and not a Fevicol, because I have to stick the fabric. So I'm taking this glue and we'll apply this glue on this. Okay, now I'll keep it on this, and once this get dry we will we'll cut it in a proper shape. So we'll keep this aside, and we also have made this stud, so we also need to have back finishing to this also. So I'll also quickly apply the fabric to this. So guys, we have this base and we have applied a back finishing to this. And now we are going to apply this stud to this. So you can see there is a triangle, so it will be like this. So on that, above that itself, I am going to have Fevicol. Fevibond glue, and then I'll add this stud. So now again we'll wait for a while to get this dry, and then we'll start a further work. So guys, these are dried up, and now again we are going to add a back finishing cloth on this. So again I'm taking this Fevibond glue and will apply enough glue on this. Always make sure that this stud is getting dried up first, because I have faced the situation that this stud is moving after applying the back finishing fabric, like from that, so the consumer experience will be bad in that case. So for the same, always first make sure that the stud has dried up, and then you apply this back finishing fabric. So now again we'll wait for 5 minutes to get this dry, and then we'll cut this one, and then we'll start our further work. So guys, this has dried up, and now I'll quickly cut this extra part to have a proper finishing. So I have cutted this, and this is how it looks. Now we are going to attach this stud and this one all together, and I'm taking this pin and we'll make a hole to this side where these pearls are getting end. So I'll make a hole first, and I'm going to take this jump ring and we'll open this and we'll insert this jump ring in this hole. Inserted this jump ring, and I am not closing this first, but I am taking this one and I will keep it like this to check which side is coming where. And now I am going to insert the jump ring in this eye pin like this, and here again we will make a firm, we'll close it firmly. Attach this one side, and in the same way I'm going to attach it to this. So I'm quickly going to do that and we'll come back to you. So guys, I have attached this another side too, and this is how our beautiful earring looks. So yeah, that's it, and this is our second earring. Do try to make these gorgeous earrings at home. If you face any issue while making these earrings, do let me know in the comments below so that I can solve that issue and also others can learn from it. If you like this video, do like, share, comment on it. And if you're new here on my channel, I request you to subscribe to my channel so that we can meet on a regular basis to make such amazing jewelry making designs like this in the future. Thank you so much for watching my video till the end. See you next time. Until then, this is Aishwarya signing off.